Ever sold something with the wrong serial number? It happens. Here's how to fix it.
Yeah, it's a super common slip-up, and wow, it can really mess up your inventory.
Luckily, there's a swap serial number feature. But first, you've got to set it up.
It's super easy. There are just 2 things you need to do to get this working. First, you'll jump into your POS settings and just flip on this one global switch.
But you don't want just anyone doing this, right? So you need to set permissions. Just add this specific code to a user's role, and boom, they've got the power.
Okay, so you're all set up. How do you actually do the swap? It's just 4 quick steps. Let's walk through what this looks like right inside the app. It's really straightforward. First up, head to your cashable list and just search for that specific transaction. Once you open the item, you'll see a tab for swapping the serial number. Click it. And this is where the magic happens. Just pick the old serial, then the new correct one. As soon as you hit submit, you'll see right away if it worked. Instant feedback. Now for the important part, the audit trail. You'll find it in the Swap Serial Number menu. So what details are actually visible in that swap history? Let's break it down. You get the doc number, status, both serials, the reason, and even who did it. And having this history is a game changer for keeping your inventory and warranty straight. Ultimately, a solid audit trail like this just protects your business from all sides.